Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to use and edit an portrait video recording and add this in portrait to another project. If your record like this portrait mode video as seen here on the screen right now, and you add this into a project in iMovie, for example, we can then get it into it, and you see the proc will automatically zoom in a little bit. Okay, in this case we go and pinch it out a little bit to make the full size again. And if we now cut it as we need it, as we like it, we can split it and so on, and we export this, it will be, after the export is done, it will be not in the portrait mode again. It will be in landscape mode because of on the right and left side we have black areas of it. So okay, yeah, that's good. And now we try to get this exported now. After the export, we are going to come back and we try to add the new file which we exported, for example, to that project here. And I will show you that there will be two black areas on it, on the right and on the left side, because it goes automatically to landscape mode. Yeah, but we can fix this. Okay, let's try this now. We are here back in the scene. And now the exported stuff here you can see, okay? You can see the different here in the file area, picture as well. And now we can see there are black areas here, okay? There it is. Yeah, that's not fine. That's not so good because we are now in landscape mode and we are not anymore in the in the mode of the portrait. Okay. Let's switch off iMovie as for example. Go to Photos, go to the exported. You can see the exported file. Go to Settings or Editable Stuff and go to Crop. Yeah. Now we can here and go and use this. If we unlock this, we aspect ratio unlocked, and then we move this area to the center area. And now we have. If we save this, we have a portrait mode picture or picture movie, of course. But we can also use this editable stuff over here to go to original and this landscape format, and you can directly switch to portrait mode. Yeah. So save this. Got it. Go back to iMovie, for example, and now we can add the file to it, picture, and you can see what happens here. Yeah, the black area is not anymore stationary there. Okay, you see, there it is. Landscape is gone, and what is back? Yeah, back is the portrait mode. Easy peasy, yeah. So you can make this easy with onboard stuff possible. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. I hope to see you again on my channel. Ta-da!